Today, our entire community has come together to celebrate World Refugee Day. It is a moment where we look back at the homes we left behind. It reminds us that our identity is not defined by our displacement, but by our courage, our unity, and our unhealed hope for the future. We are women from different backgrounds, different cultures, and diverse nationalities. This year we gather under a theme that speaks directly to our lives, our struggles, our diversity, and our hopes, solidarity with refugees. We express our profound gratitude to the government of Zimbabwe, which continues to show true solidarity by maintaining peace, keeping its doors open, and providing protection to all of us who seek sanctuary.
Zimbabwe continues to provide a safe and conducive environment for refugees and asylum seekers. Despite global financial constraints, the government continues to ensure that refugees have access to basic necessities such as food, shelter, health care, and education. These are not luxuries, but essential foundations for restoring hope, dignity, and self-reliance.
Working hand in hand with our community leaders to ensure harmony within our home. We are also deeply grateful for the food assistance provided to our families. While resources are limited and rations are often not enough, our community meets this support with thankful hearts, gracefully practicing solidarity among ourselves by making the absolute most of what we have.
As we reflect on global challenges, we also celebrate the courage, resilience, and contributions of refugees. Refugees are not merely beneficiaries of assistance, but active contributors to economic growth, cultural diversity, and community development. We continue to expand livelihood opportunities in line with our commitments under the Global Compact on Refugees.
We are celebrating beautiful improved sports grounds that bring us together through soccer and a vibrant community radio station, giving our diverse people a voice.
Then I thank government for Zimbabwe to give us support, to give us security, and provide everything about the things about is covering us according to the refugees. Then I thank everything the things we're getting, but still needing the support of the people. Like in the Saturday and Sunday on the clinic, we don't have ambulance and medication also.
Concerns were raised regarding the healthcare services. I am pleased to advise you that expansion works at the local clinic are progressing well. The facility will soon be equipped to serve the growing population. These interventions underscore our commitment to ensuring that our brothers and sisters have access to quality health care, which is a critical pillar of dignity and resilience. To the refugee community, let me assure you that the government of Zimbabwe remains committed to standing shoulder to shoulder with you. We will continue to amplify your voices and safeguard your fundamental right to seek safety. Together, let us continue to build bridges of solidarity guided by justice, humanity, and hope.